Sorry. Relax now.
I'm talking to them. Please, what do you want? Talk to me. Okay, you know I know you before. I'm not fighting with you.
You are fighting with me actually. The way you are shouting.
I'm talking to them.
I've never said anything. Okay,
so
okay,
sorry,
wait, I'm coming, wait, I'm coming.
talking
Wait,
to
I'm coming,
them.
I'm coming. You're talking to them.
Yes.
Someone comes to buy something. You now start shouting at the person. Is that how it's done?
I'm not shouting at you.
You're shouting, you're obviously shouting.
Okay, sorry about that, please. Sorry about that.
That's not how to treat people. You have to know my
I
intentions
said
first.
sorry about that.
Okay, fine. Fine. I came to ask if you have a relaxer. Relaxer, just any conditioner. Something like that.
There's relaxer.
Conditioner, any conditioner.
Conditioner. I'm not selling conditioner. I only have one that I use for customers. Do you understand? I only have one I use for customers. I don't have conditioner for sale.
Okay, can you condition, if I want to condition my hair, can you condition it?
You can only condition your hair once you relax.
I don't understand.
Because once you relax your hair, you wash it with shampoo and conditioner.
No, what I want is I just want to relax. I just want to like relax my hair, that's all. What's conditioner? What's when the conditioner and relax? It's not the same thing. Applying. So I want to do it for myself. Can't I condition my hair? Okay. What's conditioning? It's not using that stuff. That's a dryer, something like that. Is that conditioning? Sorry, what I don't know the meaning. What's the meaning of conditioning? Sorry.
Conditioner is liquid.
Okay, it's different from relaxer.
Yes.
So I will relax my hair for conditioning. Okay. So I want to relax my hair. Oh, it's not for guys, only ladies. Is this shop only for ladies? Not for guys.
It's for both.
So
You know I want to barb your hair.
barb my hair.
Yes, you know I want to relax your hair and barb your hair. Because you can't just relax your hair unless you have a long.
What if it's what I want? I want just to relax it. Choice.
You want to relax it. Relaxing and workmanship is 5,000.
Ma?
Relaxing and workmanship is 5,000.
Relaxing and workmanship is 5,000. And my hair it will condition too, I mean. The question I'm asking, is it hard?
It's not available. Sorry.
You don't want to.
It's not available. So, it doesn't so.
Okay, no problem. Okay, but can you at least sell the laser for me? Let me just buy and go, please. Laser is 1,000. What about conditioner? Okay, let me see the laser you have. Well, let her bring it. What she will. So that means workmanship is 4,000. Is that what it means? This is relaxer. But there's one that is like green plastic like this. Or one that is like brown container like this. I'm new here, I don't really know places. That's why I just came here. You're chasing me away like this. I don't know how to use that one. Is it the same way to use it? Use your hand. Okay. Sorry. I'm joking. I'm not. I'm just trying to